Welcome to the ultimate guide on how AI startups can make you a millionaire in 2025. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, creating unprecedented opportunities for wealth. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends, strategies, and insights to help you capitalize on the AI boom. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or just curious, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the world of AI startups and discover how you can ride this wave to millions. First, let's understand why AI is the hottest industry in 2025. The global AI market is projected to reach $747 billion this year. That's a 38% growth from the previous year, showing no signs of slowing down. By 2030, experts predict AI will add over $15 trillion to the global economy. This explosive growth is driven by advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI startups are at the forefront, solving real-world problems and attracting billions in investments. In 2024 alone, AI startups raised over $20 billion globally. This capital is fueling innovation in healthcare, finance, logistics, and more. For example, Anthropic raised $3.5 billion in 2025. Their AI assistant Claude is revolutionizing how businesses handle data and customer interactions. Similarly, xAI, backed by Elon Musk, secured $12 billion to advance AI research. Their mission is to accelerate human discovery, making them a key player in the industry. These examples show the massive potential for wealth creation in AI startups. But how can you, as an individual, tap into this opportunity? Let's break it down. There are three main ways to profit from AI startups: investing, starting your own company, or working for one. Let's start with investing, as it's the most accessible option for many. Investing in AI startups can yield massive returns, but it comes with risks. The key is to identify startups with strong teams, innovative technology, and clear market demand. Look for companies solving high-value problems in industries like healthcare or finance. For instance, Hippocratic AI raised $141 million in 2025. Their AI models help healthcare providers improve patient care and reduce costs. Investing early in such companies can lead to exponential returns if they succeed. One way to invest is through venture capital funds specializing in AI. Firms like Sequoia and Andreessen Horowitz have backed top AI startups like 11 Labs. 11 Labs, a synthetic voice startup, raised $180 million this year. Their technology is used in media, gaming, and customer service, showing massive potential. Another option is crowdfunding platforms, which let you invest smaller amounts in early-stage startups. Platforms like Seed Invest and Start Engine have AI startups seeking retail investors. However, due diligence is critical. Research the startup's team, product, and market fit. A third option is investing in publicly traded AI companies or ETFs. While not startups, companies like NVIDIA and Databricks offer exposure to the AI boom. ETF like the Global X Artificial Intelligence ETF include a mix of AI-focused firms. These options are safer, but may offer lower returns compared to early-stage investments. To succeed as an investor, stay updated on AI trends and network with industry insiders. Attend AI conferences or join online communities to learn about emerging startups. Now let's explore the second path: starting your own AI company. Launching an AI startup can be highly lucrative if you have the right idea and execution. The first step is identifying a problem that AI can solve better than existing solutions. For example, Fireflies created an AI assistant that transcribes and summarizes meetings. Their tool integrates with Zoom and Slack, making it a hit with remote teams. Focus on niche markets where your solution can make a big impact. Once you have an idea, build a minimum viable product to test your concept. You don't need to be a coder. Tools like no-code platforms can help you prototype. Hiring AI talent is crucial. The demand for AI experts is high, with 97 million jobs projected by 2025. Platforms like Upwork or TopTal can connect you with skilled AI developers. Funding is the next hurdle. Pitch to venture capitalists or apply to accelerators like Y Combinator. Y Combinator has funded AI startups like Cruise, which was acquired by GM. Your pitch should highlight your team, market size, and unique value proposition. For example, Scale AI's pitch focused on simplifying data labeling for AI models. They've raised over $600 million and serve clients like OpenAI. Regulatory challenges are also key. AI startups must navigate data privacy and ethical concerns. In 2025, companies will face stricter state-level privacy laws. Building trust through transparency and responsible AI practices is essential. If your startup succeeds, you could sell it to a tech giant or go public. Microsoft's 49% stake in OpenAI is a prime example of acquisition potential. The third path is working for an AI startup, which can also lead to wealth. AI startups offer high salaries, stock options, and rapid career growth. For example, a senior AI engineer at OpenAI can earn over $300,000 annually. Stock options can be a game changer if the company goes public or is acquired. Early employees at startups like DeepL have seen significant payouts. DeepL, a translation platform, reached a $1.25 billion valuation in 2024. To land a job, upskill in AI through online courses on platforms like Coursera, and focus on skills like Python, machine learning, and natural language processing. Networking is also key. Connect with AI professionals on LinkedIn or at meetups. Now, let's look at the top AI startup trends to watch in 2025. Generative AI is leading the charge, with a market projected to hit $1.3 trillion by 2032. Startups like Suno are creating AI-generated music from text prompts in seconds. Suno's platform has generated tracks for millions, disrupting the music industry. Another trend is AI agents, which act autonomously to complete tasks. Podium's AI employee responds to customer inquiries instantly, boosting sales. Small language models are also gaining traction for their efficiency. These models use less computing power, making them ideal for startups with limited resources. For example, DeepSeek's cost-efficient models are closing the gap with US competitors. AI in healthcare is another hot area, with startups like Abridge transforming patient care. Abridge's AI transcribes doctor-patient conversations, saving time and reducing burnout. They raised $250 million in 2025, showing strong investor confidence. Finally, AI for sustainability is emerging as a key focus. Plenty uses AI to optimize vertical farming, reducing water and energy use. They raised $400 million to scale their sustainable agriculture solutions. These trends highlight the diverse opportunities in AI startups. To maximize your chances of success, focus on a few key strategies. First, stay informed about the latest AI advancements and market needs. Read reports like the Stanford AI Index for data-driven insights. Second, build a strong network of mentors, investors, and peers. Third, prioritize ethical AI development to build trust and avoid regulatory issues. Finally, be persistent. The AI industry is competitive, but the rewards are worth it. Now let's dive deeper into case studies of successful AI startups to inspire your journey. Take xAI, a company focused on accelerating human scientific discovery. Their AI Grok provides real-time answers to complex questions, competing with giants like OpenAI. xAI's $12.1 billion funding round in 2025 shows investor trust. Their success comes from a clear mission and a focus on scalable AI solutions. Another example is Abridge, which is transforming healthcare with AI. Their technology transcribes and summarizes doctor-patient conversations in real time. This saves doctors hours of paperwork, letting them focus on patient care. Abridge's $250 million raise in 2025 highlights its market fit. These case studies show that solving real problems with AI can lead to massive success. Let's explore practical steps for each path to wealth in AI startups. For investors, start by setting a budget and diversifying your portfolio. Allocate a portion of your capital to high-risk, high-reward AI startups. Use platforms like AngelList to find vetted startups with strong growth potential. Join investor networks to access deal flow and learn from experienced angels. For example, the AI Fund connects investors with promising AI ventures. Always evaluate the startup's traction, such as user growth or revenue. If you're starting an AI company, begin with market research. Identify pain points in industries like education, retail, or manufacturing. Use tools like Google Trends or industry reports to validate demand. Next, assemble a team with complementary skills, including AI expertise and business acumen. Leverage open-source AI frameworks like TensorFlow to build your product. Test your product with early adopters to gather feedback and iterate. When seeking funding, create a compelling pitch deck. Highlight your team's expertise, the problem you're solving, and your go-to-market strategy. Apply to accelerators like Techstars, which offer mentorship and funding. For those seeking jobs, start by building a strong personal brand. Share AI-related content on LinkedIn to attract recruiters. Contribute to open-source AI projects on GitHub to showcase your skills. Attend job fairs or virtual events hosted by AI startups. Negotiate for equity when joining early-stage startups to maximize your earnings. Look for startups with proprietary technology or unique datasets. For example, Databricks' Data Lakehouse platform powers AI innovation. Check if the startup has partnerships with major corporations or research institutions. A strong advisory board with AI experts is also a good sign. Ensure the startup addresses a scalable market with long-term demand. Let's recap the steps to becoming a millionaire through AI startups. Invest in promising startups through venture capital, crowdfunding, or ETS. Start your own AI company by identifying a problem and securing funding. Or work for a startup, leveraging high salaries and stock options. Stay ahead by tracking trends like generative AI, healthcare, and sustainability. With dedication and strategy, you can turn the AI revolution into your ticket to millions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights on building wealth in 2025. Leave a comment with your favorite AI startup, and let's start a discussion. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more ways to profit from tech trends.